Now I'm going to talk about my new approach to radionics, which I call power radionics. As you know by now, power radionics is a combination of traditional radionics with the generator of life energy, or Chi generator, which I invented in 1991, and also with specific computer programs. Radionics was first discovered more than a century ago. It is technology which makes abstractions of the human mind permanent by assigning them with specific numeric values, which are represented in the form of radionic rates, which means settings of the dials of a radionics device. And as such, these methods can be compared to the making of symbols, of mantras and the like, for the same purpose, as you will find out later. Using this method of making abstractions represented by permanent structures and boosting these structures with life energy, you can project energy, talk again about life force, organ, prana, chi, and trends give inclination to desired effects, leading to desired results. And you can project this energy at any distance. In other words, radionics is one of the many methods of action at a distance. And in the free transfer test, you can find evidence of the fact that distance is irrelevant in your work with radionics or any other action at a distance which follows the same functional principles as radionics. In fact, as a result of my invention of the Chi generator and double-blind experiments, I'm talking about this later, setting up of successful radionic operations became a lot easier, much more powerful, and especially much more flexible than ever before. You are going to realize this immediately when you begin to use your Chi energy boosted radionics device or organ radionics device, such as the RAD 2400 HD, when you use it to project energy and trends to yourself and to others. This fact makes radionics a powerful tool in your hands, provided that you have the open mind to make use of this extraordinary new technology. You can get your first experiences of this power when performing the free transfer test, and soon you are going to understand how such projection is possible with the help of life energy and structural links. In the case of power radionics, these structural links are of a purely abstract nature in the form of radionic settings or rates. In other words, using the characteristics of life energy, I found an extremely simple explanation of the technology of radionics. Radionics can now be explained easily as a direct consequence of the characteristics of life energy. Its transfer at any distance by way of structural links and its reversed entropy. You can see a lot more about this in www.orgon.net. Older, rather ludicrous assumptions concerning radionics, which are mostly rooted in esoteric, top scientific, philosophical belief structures and speculations, such as non-measurable radionic frequencies, higher planes, inner planes, astral energies, morphogenetic fields or morphic fields and the like, are no longer necessary for a scientific explanation of the amazing effects of radionics. They are a thing of the past. Power radionics then is the logical consequence of our new understanding of radionics. It is a result of an entirely new approach to radionics, resulting in more power and more flexibility than any traditional approach to radionics ever could offer. While the purpose of the radionics device is the establishing of structural links by way of making your abstractions permanent for a defined time, the purpose of the G-generator, the generator of life energy which I invented, is to provide the radionics device with massive life energy so that you can achieve far-reaching results faster, easier, and more effectively than ever before. This combination of the new G-generator with the radionics device, power radionics, opens the door to many, many new ways to benefit from radionics more effectively than ever before. And this is the reason why the new power radionics devices are truly, let's say, magical tools with near infinite potentials.